Pakainin natin si Mister ng kangkong, gulay galing sa garden. Hello mga loves, ito na naman tayo mag-harvest sa ating kangkong. O diba, ang ating kangkong is finally tumaas, gumanda na at pwede na nating i-harvest. First kangkong ko po ito dito sa US as first tanim, first nating kain na talagang totoong kangkong na. Actually mga loves, dalawang klase po yung pagtatanim ko ng garden, hydroponic. Pero yung hydroponic natin sa tubig, iwan ko ha, summer. Pero hindi gumanda yung tubo. So kaya tinapon ko na lahat. O diba, nagsayang lang ako ng seedling. Pero dito talaga sila gumanda ang tubo sa ating lupa. So kaya yun, nagdagdag ako. Kaya meron dyan palang mga maliliit dyan na kangkong. Kaya yun. Ay, nakalimutan ko kayong inform. Magluluto po tayo ng sinigang na baboy. Pero yung mga gulay natin dito, mga sangkap, is galing po yan sa garden. Like tomato, galing sa garden. Okay? So yun, ang saya lang kasi meron na tayo nagagamit galing sa garden. At ito na yung ating pork. Binabrown ko lang siya konti. Ang ating string beans galing sa garden. Kangkong galing sa garden. Talong galing sa garden, ang tubig galing sa lupa. Charot. Buti na lang, marami tayong sili na galing din sa ating garden 2 years ago. Nilagay ko lang siya sa freezer. So kayon, gamit na gamit ko yung mga ganyang habang sili mga loves. At nilagay ko na yung sitaw. So kasi nag-boil na siya, sandali. So magandang ilagay natin yung string beans kasi yun ang matagal-tagal. Next is yung talong. Alam nyo na, talong is gusto ko yung talong na lutong-luto. Ayaw ko yung may pagka half cook ng talong. Ewan ko, ayaw ko niyan. At pagkatapos nito nating ukay-ukayin, nilagay ko na yung ating kangkong. Ang saya-saya mga loves kasi marami tayong kangkong na harvest. At alam nyo ba, hinugasan ko yan ng paisa-isa. Grabe talaga ako maghugas, lalo na mga leafy vegetables na galing sa garden kasi hindi natin alam kung anong meron, no? Alam nyo ba, lumaki ako na hindi ako nakatry ng sinigang kasi hindi po ito uso ang sinigang sa Mindanao. Noong kabataan ko pa, hindi siya uso. So ngayon, tapos na yung ating kangkong mga loves. So meron ako ditong pork, nilagay ko siya, binabrown ko siya, nilagyan ko siya ng bell pepper na galing din sa garden mga loves. Ito yung pangalawa nating ulam. Ginawa ko po ito mga loves dahil marami po tayong sitaw na galing sa garden. So marami tayong extrang sitaw, no? Nilagyan ko na siya ng oyster sauce, asin, konting toyo, konti lang, and then paminta. Yun na yun siya yung ating ulam. At kakain na tayo, patikamin. Patikman natin kay Tami yung ating sinigang. Tara, kain tayo. So, ito na yung ulam ni Mr. mga loves. Ito yung iyang ulam, love. Meron tayo ditong cellphone, telephone, sabaw niya, at saka yung adobong kangkong, adobong string beans with pork, and also yung sinigang. Kakain tayo. So, kakain po si Tami ng sinigang mga loves. Ang sarap ng feeling na na meron tayong pagkain na galing sa garden. Habs, get down. Huh? Oh my goodness. You want me to get him?
No, I'll leave when he's ready.
Guys, so kakain si Tami ng kangkong, no? My husband will eat kangkong. This is kangkong.
Cancun is a place in Mexico.
Hmm?
Cancun is a place in Mexico.
Kangkong?
Yeah.
Kangkong, na kangkong. Namit gid. Kain tayo mga loves. Ang sarap nito.
Okay, little man. What can I say?
Ang sarap ng kangkong mga loves. First time ko itong tanim dito sa US, kangkong. Sarap. He is a bad boy. He become bad because of you. You love him so much that makes him like the bad one. Do you know that if when we have people here, he always grabbing people's elbow? He wasn't like that. Hi. How are you? I know I don't cook, love. I don't cook. I don't cook.
What were you thinking?
No, did you hear that, guys? That's who he is. What am I thinking? How's the traffic? Good morning. Good morning. Look. Oh, it's morning. Yeah. But anyway, mga loves, oh, itong Tamis mayonnaise, ang laki-laki. So, kararating lang ni Mister. Oh, what are you having?
Turkey.
Turkey. I told you guys, this turkey is supposedly for the dog.
That's mad if I got it for dogs.
Costco sell it for dogs.
I don't think so.
Be careful, there's water now.
Costco, not Petco.
Be careful how
Oh, look at
water.
this.
Somebody's coming.
Jingle ball over there.
I'm gonna give you some bags. Somebody's here, loves.
Yeah, imagine that.
Okay, I'm gonna let my husband eat, mga loves, ha? Kasi water, I can feel the water, honey. Splash his hand.
Yep.
Okay.
That's how it works.
Mayonnaise, what else?
Catch it funny.
Just leave it there. Look, honey. Honey, somebody seen the thing, honey. Oh, look, and with money, honey. You have to send the review, but I don't think.
What we're reviewing.
I don't know. It's like, are you happy? Do you want to know? It's like a survey. Right here, the side.
Let's see the side.
I don't eat dinner.
Of course you don't.
Han, every time that you're not home, I don't eat dinner, Han. If you're not home, I don't feel like eating except lunch. That's the only thing that I eat a lot. But in dinner, it's like I feel so like lonely, Han.
Oh yeah, that's all right.
Han? Come on, you don't give me a kiss, love. You get.
You never eat when I'm not here because you're too lazy to do it.
And you just tell me too lazy, honey. Seriously, I cook.
Too lazy to make your own dinner. It's the same thing with single people all over the world.
Single people?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not single.
I know. But when you're alone, then you act like you're single.
And seriously, honey. Now you're telling me I act like I'm a single woman.
Woman. Get your butt down off of there.
Hon, did you just see that, honey, that I act like I'm single?
There you go.
Did you just see that?
As far as eating goes.
Oh.
Hey,
Habs, no.
does this look like it's for you? Really? Seriously,
Look at
Hobbs?
that little boy. No, little boy. No, get down.
And your sisters are waiting to see if I give to you. This way they know that they can step right in. So see, I can't give to you because I give to you, then I gotta give to them.
Now I'm hungry looking at you.
Turkey?
No, I don't like eating now. The cat and the dog eat it. Okay guys, balik lang ako matulog. Oh my goodness. I'm going to sleep na but I'm hungry. So now I have to open the refrigerator. Nagutom man ako mga loves. Oy. Like your wife is hungry, honey.
You should probably eat something.
And I don't feel like eating bread because I'm gonna gain way more weight. Remember when we do a dumpster diving? We go dumpster diving and then after that, you know what we do? We're gonna have snacks in the middle of the night and then I'll do live. And we are so busy looking at what we got. Honey, I remember those days, honey. Seems like it's 2 years ago, right? That was 2 years ago. Last year, no, not last year. Oy, 2 years ago. Hello, oy. I'm hungry but I don't feel like eating. The next day, so naghugas si Tami ng pinggan. Hinahag ko lang. Magtrabaho daw siya kasi ngayon. So kaya bumangon din ako ng maaga.
Two pancakes in there.
Oh, yeah.
A vegetable pancake, really? Where do you get this stuff?
Oh, chicken and vegetable.
These kids are always asking.
They're here, hon.
Can't imagine that.
Habs is in there. Few hours later, naliligo na si Mister kasi tapos na siyang kumain. Ako naman habang naghihintay, habang naliligo siya, inaantok na talaga ako mga loves. Gusto ko nang matulog. So kaya bumalik ako dun sa kama at matulog. Pero yon alam nyo na, natamimi ang utak ni Inday Marian kasi maraming iniisip. At matagal talagang maligo si Mr. O wala pa. Okay, dala-dala ko yung laptop ni Mr. O. Do you want this? In the ground? Okay. Dala-dala ko sila mga loves. Kasi ganyan ako eh. Matulunging asawa. Ay, you're so lucky. I love you. You're so lucky. Ang puwit ni Mr. Halata bang mahilig ako sa puwet ni Mr.? So ngayon wala si Mr. tanghali na. So nagdesisyon akong mag-cut ng damo kasi po ang haba-haba na po ng damo namin. Kahit yung machine namin is parang may problema, cut pa rin ako ng cut. Alam niyo bakit? Kailangan na talaga mga loves. Kahit anong reklamo mo dito sa Amerika na mabigat yung trabaho, lalo na ang mga panglalaki na trabaho. Pero alam nyo, maswerte pa rin dito. Alam nyo bakit? May mga machine. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, kapag maghililinis sa ating abakuran, kailangan nating i-manual. Dito mga loves, may mga machine na mabibili. Hindi ka napapagurin except sa init lang talaga. Yun lang problema, sobrang init. Kahit dahan-dahan po yung pagkakat ko ngayon ng grass, pero kailangan kong tapusin ito bago mag 3 o'clock ng hapon kasi may storm. Yun yung naano ko, may storm na naman. So, uulan, basa yung damo. Basa na nga yung damo ngayon kasi umulan kaninang umaga. So yun mga loves, salamat po sa inyong time ha. Anyway, pagkatapos ko dito mga loves, alam nyo kung anong ginagawa ko. Nagpunta ako sa harap ng bahay na mumulot ng damo na tumutubo. Kasi ang dami na talagang damo din. So yun yung mga pinagagawa ko. At kita-kits tayo mga loves next time. Kung taga saan kayo, kung umabot kayo dito, please comment down below kung taga saang lugar kayo para naman ma-shoutout natin sa next vlog. Thank you!